Welcome to House My Home. Looking to refresh your home without a full makeover? Sometimes, all it takes is the right decorative touch to transform a space from plain to Pinterest-worthy. In today's video, we've handpicked 25 of the best decorative items, from timeless vases and statement mirrors to cozy throw pillows and modern wall art. Whether you're into minimal, boho rustic, or glam, we've got something that will inspire your inner designer. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's explore the little details that make a big difference in your home. Let's dive in. Throw pillows instantly adds comfort and style to any space. Its soft, plush texture brings warmth and a cozy vibe, perfect for lounging on the couch or layering on your bed. Choose neutral tones like white or beige for a timeless look, or go bold to make a statement. An artistic statue is more than just decor, it's a conversation starter. Whether it's a minimalist bust, an abstract figure, or a cultural piece, statues add personality and sophistication to your home. Place one on a console table, shelf, or entryway for an instant touch of elegance. Faux plants are perfect for those who love greenery without the maintenance. They bring life, color, and freshness into your space all year round. From potted succulents to tall faux trees, these decorative pieces look realistic and work beautifully in bathrooms, offices, or any corner that needs a lift. A unique ornament, like a handcrafted trinket, glass sculpture, or vintage find, tells a story. It adds charm and individuality to your shelf or coffee table. These one-of-a-kind pieces often spark curiosity and help your space feel more personal, curated, and truly yours. And there you have it, 25 of the best decorative items to elevate your home and express your personal style. Whether you're going for cozy, modern, boho, or classic, remember, the magic is in the little details. Which item was your favorite? Or is there a decor piece you swear by that didn't make the list? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating beautiful spaces.